A very good morning to all of you. Mr. Ahmed, the MP, the chairman of Malabar Group, Mr. Abdul Salam KP, the vice chairman of Malabar Group, Mr. Ashar, who is the MD of India Operations, Mr. Nishad, who is the group executive director, Shri Jayesh Ranjan, our principal secretary of Industry and Commerce, Krishna Bhaskar Garu, the commissioner of Industries, Government of Telangana, MD of TSIIC, Shri Narasimha Reddy Garu, to all the members of the Malabar family, to the customers, to the suppliers, to the vendors, to the partners, and to our friends from the media. I firstly would like to apologize for joining in late. It was an unavoidable situation, so therefore I was delayed. My apologies for that. I would like to compliment and congratulate the Malabar Group for choosing Hyderabad. You know, this is their largest factory, possibly in India and also by extension, possibly in the world as well. I'm told that they would be investing about 750 crores of rupees, Indian rupees, and providing employment to 2,750 people. And it would be a state-of-the-art refinery and a manufacturing facility. So I think a big round of applause to the Malabar Group for choosing Hyderabad, for choosing Telangana. Thank you very much. As the Honorable Chairman pointed out, very eloquently, there is a history of fine craftsmanship in Telangana with respect to jewelry making. In fact, a couple of months ago, myself, Jayesh, Ranjan, we were all in a town called Narayanpet, which is about 100 plus kilometers away from Hyderabad. And when I was told this, I was a little surprised. The honorable local legislator, the local MLA, Shri Rajendra Reddy, he came to me and he told me that, you know, we in this area in Narayanpet have a long cherished history of jewelry making, especially gold jewelry. I was a little surprised. I said, what makes this place special? He said, we have customers coming from Hyderabad. We have customers and suppliers coming all the way from Bidar, Raichur, other parts of Karnataka, because of the fine craftsmanship. And he had requested me to actually sanction a gold souk in that area. I was surprised because, you know, the only gold souk I saw in my life is in Dubai. So I was like, okay, Narayanpet competing with Dubai, it initially didn't really gel very well in my mind. But then later when I started thinking, later when I started understanding the nature of the business, and as Mr. Ahmed pointed out, Indian culture, Indian traditions, you know, we have a culture of gifting. We have a culture of, you know, gifting, especially jewelry of all kinds, you know, gold, silver, diamonds, etc., etc. So, to set the context, when I was, you know, having a chat this morning with Mr. Ahmed, he told me that his turnover, in terms of his turnover, the largest numbers actually come from India. And in fact, one of his stores in Hyderabad is also doing really, really well, is what he told me. So I'm excited of the prospects because gems and jewelry is one of our thrust areas. In fact, in the industrial policy of Government of Telangana, gems and jewelry is one of our important areas, one of our thrust areas. And as he again and his group, you know, pointed out, there's plenty of fine craftsmen, plenty of fine goldsmiths in Telangana with developed skill. So there is no real need to acquire new skill. There is no real need to, you know, groom or, you know, create any new talent here. There's enough people, you know, from various districts in Telangana who can, you know, offer you that kind of service. And what I was also told by the Honorable Chairman, आपने कहा था कि जो आपके यहाँ काम करते हैं, आपके यहाँ जो क्राफ्ट्समैन काम करते हैं, दिन में 8 घंटा काम करते हैं और करीब 15 से 20 हज़ार तक कमाते हैं, which is a fantastic thing. In fact, for a lot of these local craftsmen who are looking for employment, बहुत अच्छी बात है. मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप और आपकी ग्रुप जो वादा आपने किया कि अभी 2,75,000 स्क्वायर फुट वाला फैक्ट्री और रिफाइनरी बनाएंगे एक साल में, आप, क्योंकि आपका बर्थडे भी है नवंबर में, तो आप नेक्स्ट ईयर 30 इयर्स भी कंप्लीट करेंगी आपकी ग्रुप. मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ, मैं विश्वास करता हूँ कि आप की टीम आपका, स्पेशली आशर, आई थिंक इट्स अप टू यू नाउ टू मेक इट हैपन. सो अगले एक साल में फिर फैक्ट्री का जल्द से जल्द कंस्ट्रक्शन भी हो जाएगा उम्मीद करते हैं कि ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर के हाथ से वो इनॉग्रेशन भी करेंगे महेश्वरम में। बहुत आपको और आपके ग्रुप को बहुत बहुत बधाई, और क्योंकि आपने सही जगह चुना, हैदराबाद आपने चुना, बहुत बहुत बधाई आपको। वाइज चॉइस। This is a state that excels in creating a congenial environment for investors of all kind, from technology to biology to aerospace, defense to gems, jewelry, textiles, logistics, food processing. हमारे यहाँ सारे सेक्टर्स जो एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेटिंग सेक्टर्स हैं, इन सभी को हम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस देते हैं, बहुत मान्यता देते हैं, और उम्मीद करते हैं कि आपको देख के, क्योंकि Malabar is a reputed name in this line of business. You're the 6th largest jewelry maker in the world. तो उम्मीद करते हैं कि आपको देख के, आपका इंस्पिरेशन लेके और भी ज्वेलरी मेकर्स और रिफाइनरीज यहाँ पे आएंगी, और हैदराबाद, जैसा आपने कहा स्लाइड में, एक फाइन ज्वेलरी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग हब बनेगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच। जय तेलंगाना।